Quality, vision, trust, and design. You've spent time finding or designing the perfect luxury home. And a one-of-a-kind home needs a one-of-a-kind pool. A pool that is designed around how you live, how you entertain, and how you relax. Imagine that pool. At J. Anthony Custom Pools, we approach creating a luxury pool with the same passion we have for our award-winning luxury homes. To ensure your pool is of the highest quality, we use the best materials and highest rated contractors, then meticulously supervise every step of the process. Our in-house designers incorporate your vision into your pool design, creating the perfect extension of your lifestyle, expressing who you are and how you and your family live. At J. Anthony Custom Pools, we know we're creating more than just a luxury pool. We're creating a long-term relationship with you. And all great relationships begin with trust. And finally, we'll design and deliver a pool that is as unique as your home, as unique as you. Call J. Anthony Custom Pools for your free design consultation and experience quality, vision, trust, and design firsthand.